nature. So today we are here at my home, sweet home, not at any nature place. But maybe you have already guessed from this my Santa getup, this cap and this apron, and maybe you are thinking weird that why she is having all this orange slices and lemon slices and this cinnamon tubes and this kitchen spices and the Christmas tree. So this video is going to be about Christmas tree and the Christmas tree decoration. This year I've decided to decorate my tree in my way, nature way. This is my small cute little fresh Christmas tree, and I'm going to decorate it with natural ornaments using all these ingredients which I already told you. And as you already know my love for nature, so I thought to decorate my tree without using plastic items. In ancient time, people used to decorate trees using all these natural ornaments so that it smells so fresh, it's so refreshing, and also good part of this ornaments that we can reutilize all these items rather than wasting it. And this is nature friendly and plastic free items. So let's begin the process. But before we proceed further, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. We begin with the decoration process, and before I start decoration, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Let's start. So finally I'm here at Christmas kitchen, from where we are going to decorate this cute little fresh Christmas tree. So I'll show you what this ingredients first. This is the dry orange which I already make it in slice and dry it before. Then this is the cinnamon tube. This is star anise. Then this is the glittered pine cones. This woolen thread, some extra cotton pulp thread, and I have this lovely, cute, amazing dry flowers which we are going to sprinkle on the tree and then on this area. Okay, so let's start the decoration. So I will start with this orange garland, orange and this lemon garland. First let's decorate it with the thread, and I will stick this star anise and cinnamon tube. I will stick it with the hot gun. Okay, let's tie this. My small this garlands are ready. I'm going to use this hot gun to stick this star anise and this cinnamon stick, because it's very hard. We cannot use needle for making this garland, so we will stick it. dry lemons. And now with this woolen thread, we will make this cute little decoration ornament with cinnamon too. Just tie it, wrap it. We will make a little bow here and remove this unnecessarily thread. We will remove this woolen thread. Isn't it cool? This you can gift someone. Also, we will stick this star anise here. How does it look? Looks good, huh? Cute. This smells so good. We will use dry flowers as well. Let's open the box and see what's inside. With this beautiful ornaments, and let's start to decorate this Christmas tree. Let's begin.
Maybe you just need to place this all beautiful ornaments. How does it look, guys? Looks good, huh? Hope you like it.
These are the favorite part of decoration. It's a pine cones. We are going to hang this. Almost done with our Christmas tree decoration process, but as you know that Christmas tree isn't complete without snow because Christmas is always in winter time, so there must be snow in our Christmas tree. But we are going to make this snow with the white clay, also the natural way. So let's begin with the snow making process. Taken this star cutout to make the clay stars. We will not waste this dough, clay dough. We will make snowballs. So we will make star like this and place them on the top of the tree. You can place it here. And snowballs. Let's place them here.
Merry Christmas!
My snowballs are ready. It's time for snow. Just place them wherever you want because it's snow. Here we have surprise. Our little snowman. So cute, right? So you can make snow with the clay like this. It's time for decorating lights. Let's we make a garland light. The main and the beauty of this decoration is this smells so refreshing, especially with the cinnamon sticks, this dry oranges, dry lemons. This smells so good. Try this, and this will give you really fresh aroma around your home, not like the other decoration. I just love it. Try it. Ta-da! Finally, I'm done with this lovely Christmas decoration. Hope you guys like it. And though it took me a long time to decorate this even small tree, but result is so satisfying. I'm so happy with the result. Hope you also like it. Please do try at your home, and if you have any suggestion, please do let me know. Christmas is not just only season, but it's a feeling. So just feel it, enjoy it with your friends and family. But please stay safe, and I'll see you soon with new videos. Till the time, take care, stay safe. Bye bye. Mwah. Merry Christmas.